Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. So a little bit of a different one today. I am currently not looking my best. I do apologise for that, but I just wanted to do a quick little intro for this video because it's going to be filmed over quite a few days. As you can probably see from the title, it's going to be a little bedroom transformation. I mean, it's not massive. I'm still keeping like all the same furniture and stuff. I kind of want to get a new dressing table, but I don't know. I thought it'd be interesting just to show you and see what the difference is. The layout is completely changing, so it should hopefully completely change the feel of the room. I'm going to give you a quick little tour now of what it looks like before. As you can see, I am currently sat on my bed. So this is the door, and then I've got a little bedside table there and a rug on the floor. That's my laptop charger, and then I've got two hooks that I keep my dressing gowns on. Then obviously I've got the bed, which is just in the middle of the like back wall, and then I've got a bedside table there. Don't mind Fred. So the bed is literally like as you can see, like at the side of the door. And then if I turn you round, I then have, so you kind of walk in this way, and then I've got two sets of drawers here and my TV. This is a little heater, a bin. Got drawers here with like some photo frames, a little lamp, speaker, ring light, some flowers, perfumes are there. And then I've got a big Soap and Glory box that I got for Christmas. So then I've got like this big floor space here. I don't mind the rug, it really needs a hoover. I've been like trying to figure out where everything's going, so it's a bit messy. And then some like random bits in the corner, like I've got a tripod, some old like literally from my A levels, they need to go. And then I've got my dressing table with a horrible stain on my thing, which is by the window. It's actually snowing right now. So yeah, I've got my like dressing table, desk thing, some books down there, and then my makeup all there, a mirror, skincare. This is just like my iPad and some kind of interview prep because I've got a job interview next week. A little candle, and then I have bits on the windowsill, just like random little bits. And then come around here, I have this big double wardrobe with like sliding doors. So then around here is just the other side of my bed, and there's just this little like thing that I've got on my wall just to fill some space. And then obviously from my other videos you guys know that this is where my vision board is. So I'm by my bedside table now. The plan is to move my wardrobe up to here, and then I want to move my bed to by the window over there, so basically swap where the bed is and the wardrobe, but then have the headboard of the bed against this wall rather than like the end wall.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living.
bit of an update. The big furniture has all moved. We've got some new bits up on the wall, so I thought I'd give an update. Walk in the doorway, but you walk in and this is a brief overview. A big empty wall. This is also a big empty wall, with don't mind that crack. And then I've got my TV up. I'm just watching Dad Beat Girls. I've got my TV up on the wall. My bed is here. I've still got both of my bedside tables, which I wasn't sure if I'd be able to fit them both in, but I am. And then I've got a little shelf up there. So like I said, there's still stuff to do. So for example, those holes were what my wardrobe were drilled into, so they need filling in. That crack does as well. And then I am going to actually paint the room, I think, like a more white colour, because currently it's like a creamy colour. I'm also going to put a rug back down here. Yeah, that's the update. There's been a lot of furniture moving today, which I didn't vlog just because I had like people helping me and I didn't think they would want to be on camera. I am loving the new layout so far. Okay, so a little progress report. We've painted all of the walls. I've also popped my little gallery wall up, which is straighter than it's looking on camera, because my walls are a bit wonky if I'm honest. Drawers are in position, need a clean. But yeah, it's all been painted. Everything back in the position it should be. It's actually my birthday today, and I need to now spend my birthday vacuuming the floors and getting stuff back in, because I have been sleeping on the sofa for the past 2 nights.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminated.
Okay, so it's pretty much done. There are still a couple of bits which I will let you know whilst I'm showing you the tour, but they're going to take a while to get done, so I just wanted to get this done so I can get it uploaded, because the majority of it is done. It's just little tiny bits that need doing. So I'm going to spin you around and show you the final result. I am obsessed. I love it. I apologise for how I look right now. So I'm going to start at the door. So obviously the door is here. I've just got my dressing gowns and stuff on the back of the door. Okay, so this is what the room looks like when you first walk in. A little overview. So I'm going to just start from this side and take you all the way around. So the chests of drawers are here, and then I've obviously just got the same stuff in as they had before, like clothes and stuff. And then on top of the drawers I have a Soap and Glory box with like body stuff in. I have all my headbands and masks on that stand, and then scrunchies, jewellery, and just some little random bits. And then this side I have all my skincare just sat in the corner. And then on this wall I have, I mean the lighting's not doing this very well, but I have this little gallery wall. So all these prints are from Desenia. You can see we've got one of the beach, one that says Ciao Bella, and then this one of some pampas grass. And then going down we have one that's a quote that says, "What you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create." And then I have like a little pink rose, which is cute. So I've gone for kind of a neutrally pink theme, which is just the theme throughout my bedroom. And then the last one says, "Grateful for where I'm at and excited about where I'm going." I do have a curtain pole there, which does need to go up on my windows. So we'll bring you round. The mirror wardrobe is here. And then I've got my black rug, they're my slippers.
I apologise for how I look, but this is my general day-to-day look at the minute.
I'm just going to show you behind me because you can see it. So then next to my door I've got my new dressing table, which I love. I've got my bin as well, which is just the bin I had before. I do possibly want to get a new one because it does not go with my colour scheme, but that's not a priority right now. So yeah, I've got my new dressing table. It came with a stool, and then it comes with like 4 drawers, one there, one there, one there, and one there. And they all have all my makeup in. I also have my phone, my laptop, and my planner on here, just sat there. And then I've got lip stuff, some eyelashes, don't mind those, and all my brushes. And then this actually lights up, which is cool. It looks very blue on camera. It is cool tone though, which is great for when I'm doing my makeup. I wanted a light up one just because I did used to have obviously my like makeup area in front of the window, so I did used to have natural light and I don't have that here. And then just above this I had this hook here, and if I'm honest I just couldn't be bothered taking it down, so I've got this little fluffy love heart thing, and then this little, I think this is actually meant to be like a Christmas ornament, but it's a little fizz ball, and I just thought they looked really cute there like that, so they're staying there like that. Then moving around, I have my TV up on the wall now, which is great, which is what I wanted. Obviously that's at the end of my bed. This is all empty. Then I just have this little floor lamp, and then in the corner I have a shelf on either side, and this one just has a little photo frame, a little wax burner candle, and then Alexa's hiding behind there. Moving on, I have my windowsill. So this is the window. Like I said, I do have curtains to put up, but they need to be turned up, so they're not ready yet. Then on my windowsill I just have my salt lamp, which I pretty much can't sleep without. It's great. I have a little heater because this radiator, don't mind all the wires, never works. I don't know why. We've tried fixing it, it just never works. So I have this little heater for if I get cold. And then I have a vase with some sunflowers. They are fake, but they look so pretty. A little candle, a little like trinket box, and then a glossy box and another photo frame. So then coming around here, I've got another shelf, and this just has 2 photo frames on it, a little candle lantern thing, a fake orchid because I cannot keep plants alive for the life of me. I also then have this mirror just up here because I didn't really have anywhere to put it, but I didn't want to get rid of it because I think it's quite cute, so we've just popped it up there. And then this is my bedside table. So I've got a little trinket box where I keep lip balms, a little coaster, they're my tablets, they're my iPods, and then that's Apple Watch charger. And then I have a little lamp. This remote controls my big light, which I'll show you. And this remote controls these fairy lights. So this is the bed, so it's the same bed as before. I've got some new bedding, which is amazing. It's from Dunelm, but it's like fleecy. Fred is obviously there, cushions and stuff behind it. And then I've got these fairy lights, which I just think are adorable. That one's kind of falling down, so I need to sort that one out. But yeah, I just think they're so cute, and it's so cozy when like I'm in bed and stuff. So that's the bed. Another one thing that, like I said, I still have to do is I do have 2 canvases on order for up here that say Sweet Dreams, but they are being handmade off Etsy, so they've not come yet. But I didn't want to wait because it could be like another 3 weeks, I think. So then this is my lampshade. This is what I had before, but it's just like a white lampshade with little gem things coming down. Still have my little box here. This just has all my hair tools and stuff in it. Really just there to help my dogs get on my bed so that they don't have to jump as high. And then the final thing, well, kind of final thing, I've got my other bedside table here. So I've got my remote, another little picture frame, a little bunch of flowers, a little bottle with lights in that my mum got me. And then I also have this little E and an E coaster, and that was just my drink that I've picked up. And then I've moved my vision board to this side of the wardrobe so that again I can see it from my bed, and obviously the other side is now up against a wall, so I've got that little pink rug down there that I had at the other side of my bed before. So yeah, that's my finished room. I'm in love with it. This is obviously Fred. Yeah, I love it. I at first was a little bit like not sure just because it's so different. The way my room was before, I've had that for like 7 years, so it's not changed in 7 years, so obviously changing it around a lot was a big change, but I love it now. I love the way my room is. It's so much more cozy than it was, and it just feels like it's just set up a lot nicer. It feels bigger. Like, I think obviously because you're walking and you're not just greeted with my bed. Like, this area down here just feels like so much bigger. Even though it's not, it's literally the same size. Painted all the walls. They're very similar colours. We just put like a fresh coat of paint on. Yeah, like I said, I'm getting some curtains, some like grey curtains. Getting those canvases for above my bed. And I think that about wraps it up. So I hope you can, well, I can tell a difference, so you should be able to tell a difference. If you've got any like ideas on any extras I could add, or just any thoughts, because I am no interior designer by any means. I just kind of take a lot of my inspiration from like Pinterest. If you've got any video ideas, please let me know, that'd be great. Or just anything, just leave me a comment down below, that'd be fab. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it's been interesting. It's definitely been an interesting one to film. It's taken a lot longer than I expected it to. It's probably about, from when I first started, I think it's about 2 or 3 weeks later. Yeah, if you've got, like I said, any questions, anything, let me know. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, and if you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my channel below. It would mean a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.